What is up, homeowners? HVAC Repair Guy here. Today we're stepping into the ring for a heavyweight battle between two legends in the premium ductless world. We're going head to head with the Arcoaire Quiet Comfort Series and the Bosch Climate 5000. These aren't your entry-level budget boxes. We are looking at two high-performance premium inverter systems designed to keep your home a sanctuary without breaking the bank on your electric bill. Let's see which one earns its keep in your home. When you're looking at premium ductless units, the build quality is what separates the pros from the pretenders. Both of these units are built like tanks. They both feature specialized coated coils. Arcoaire uses a corrosion-resistant coating, and Bosch has their own robust protection to keep salt and moisture from eating your fins. Now, because these are ductless, we're looking at compact footprints. Both brands have nailed the slimline chassis design, meaning they'll tuck away nicely against your house without looking like an industrial eyesore. Let's talk numbers, because this is where the premium label really shows up. On the efficiency side, Bosch takes a slight lead with a 27.4 SEER rating compared to Arcoaire's 26 SEER. In the real world, both are going to slash your energy costs, but Bosch gives you a tiny bit more bang for your buck on the utility bill. However, sound is where Arcoaire fights back. The Quiet Comfort series lives up to its name, clocking in at 22 decibels indoors. That is quieter than a whisper. Bosch isn't far behind at 23 decibels, but in the HVAC world, every decibel counts when you're trying to sleep. Outside, it's a similar story. Arcoaire hits 52.5 dB while Bosch is at 53 dB. It's a tight race, but Arcoaire has the edge on silence. Before we get to the warranty battle, I want to hear from you. Have you dealt with coil damage from hail or salt air on your current system? Or maybe you've had a pro install a unit that sounds like a jet engine? Drop a comment below and let's talk about it. Alright, let's talk about the safety net. This is where one brand pulls way ahead. Both brands give you a solid 10 years on parts and 10 years on the compressor. That's standard for this class. But here's the kicker. Arcoaire includes a 5-year unit replacement warranty. What does that mean for you? It means if that compressor, the heart of the system, fails in the first 5 years, they don't just send a part and a bill for the labor. They replace the whole outdoor unit. Bosch doesn't offer a unit replacement pledge on this model. In my book, that peace of mind is worth its weight in gold. So, who wins the premium battle? Bosch has a slight edge in raw efficiency, but the Arcoaire Quiet Comfort is the winner today. It's slightly quieter, and that 5-year unit replacement warranty is the ultimate no-hassle guarantee for a homeowner. You're getting a unit that is built just as well, but backed significantly better. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and give this video a like so you don't miss any of our upcoming equipment battles. See you on the next one.